Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Sorry, this is a late night video, but I thought it was urgent because I had a couple alarms going off here and then I had to adjust my alarms. But yeah, we're reaching the pinnacle of this W pattern, okay? But we do got to be wary here because guys, I mean, look at this the run that we were going on right now it's historic, guys. This is historic for crypto, for Ethereum, for Bitcoin, it's just unbelievable run. I mean, what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 daily candles green in a row. I mean, this is unbelievable, guys. We're getting the W pattern. We're looking for a daily close above this level, which currently is about 24.11. We want to see a daily because we got to be careful here, guys. When you get 10 candles in a row, usually a pattern like this, if this was staggered a little bit, would just break. But I mean, even on Bitcoin too, we're gonna check out that chart as well. This is the Ethereum. This is on the daily. We're just waiting to see if we can get a daily close. I was doing 4 hours. Okay, 4 hour candle closes could be positive, but then, guys, to be honest with you, with this uptrend, you could see right here we had a couple candles, and I talked about this. I was struggling 4 hour daily, 4 hour daily in yesterday's video talking about if we broke down or we get a wick. But I also said if we get a 4 hour and it just keeps going up into this and just ignoring this line with no rejections, then 4 hours probably not going to do it. And we're probably going to look for the daily. And if you look here, you can see the daily, we just had a wick, but we had no open and close underneath here. So if the next candle closes underneath here, then we could see that pullback we've been waiting for. But right now, it just looks so bullish, and it's just looking good. I mean, until we break down this out of the daily, we're looking for a daily at this point. The move is too strong. If the move was weaker and Bitcoin was weaker, then I'd be using the 4 hour chart like a lot of times we did on the downtrends when things were weaker. But this is too strong of a move here, guys. So we gotta go off of dailies. So you just don't FOMO into this because you see it break above here because we got a little wick above my box. But we haven't seen any candles closing above there. Okay. I would like to see a daily, and then we could reach our target to about, I don't know what this is. Let's hide down. I don't know what pops up all the time. Reach our target of around $3,100. So that would be the target that we'd be looking for. Okay. So let's keep an eye on this. Also, we're going to look at Ethereum to Bitcoin dominance. That chart is looking good. You can see I got a little triangle within the triangle here. Of course, we got our bigger pattern here that if we break this, we retest this area. So if we break this, retest this, maybe go, and then boom. And then it's going to be Ethereum that's going to be dominating over Bitcoin. So just remember that. Okay. This is going up now. This is why Ethereum is going up a little bit over Bitcoin. You could see Ethereum is up, 2%. I mean, if you look at, of course, Coinbase or other exchanges, it's up higher, but on this chart right here, it's up 2%. Then if we go to Bitcoin, Bitcoin's not it's up 0.33%, not even up 1%. So, yeah, so you can see the difference in the dominance. Now on the Bitcoin chart, what are we looking for? Well, we got this first, let me go to the daily. Okay, we still have this. This is unbelievable, guys. 9 days in a row, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days in a row, green candles, and could be looking for our 10th. I mean, I don't think Bitcoin's ever had 10 in a row. I'm not sure. I think 9 ties the record. I don't think it's ever had 10 candles in a row. I mean, so this is historic, guys. I mean, this is the Elon Musk, the pump. That pump was just, I mean, they really did a good job pumping it, I guess. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but they didn't tell me anything I didn't know already, but this is incredible. Maybe SpaceX owns Bitcoin, which I thought was kind of weird, but I don't know what that is about. But maybe that's the only thing I didn't know. So you can see here, though, we still haven't closed the daily underneath the 100-day moving average. We're touching it right now, but you see we closed underneath it again, underneath it. So I would like to see this close above there for more continuation for Bitcoin. That would be nice for tomorrow's close. But it's still looking good until we break this trend. You can see this is our longer trend, right? And then we have, let's see here, an hour. If we go to the hour chart and we zoom out here, we're kind of in this little box right here. So we want to see what happens within here. We could also draw a little trend, it looks like, right here. Let's see, from the bottom here. I have to keep drawing it up. That actually, we can go from here, actually. We'll go from here. And we'll draw this up like that. And maybe see if this little trend with inside the bigger trend, let's see if this breaks down like so. Let's see if this breaks. Does a little bounce here or goes farther down. And then boom, retest and maybe test this 38 area. We'll see if something like that happens. Or, I mean, just like the days we've been seeing, guys, or it could just boom. I mean, I don't know what else to say at this point. I mean, the run has been incredible. The momentum's incredible. The chart still looks good. But you got to be careful here, guys. I mean, when you're getting 10 days in a row, I mean, we still got to be careful. So let's just keep an eye and see if this major trend breaks at all. Or we trade sideways for a little bit and it comes down a little bit. That could be a possibility, but we still got to be careful here. Like even on ETH here, it's like you want to go all in. You do. I mean, I had, my take profits all the way up, and then I still have some, and I'm like, should I add if it breaks? Yeah, of course you should, but we got to be careful. I'm more of, let's wait for the daily maybe, because the 4 hour, they've been faking out on us. So plus you get 10 days in a row. I mean, Jesus. I mean, what is this thing going to do? It's going to hit the W and go 20 days in a row. So we got to be careful here. So let's just pay attention. But that's it for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I believe I went over that. Oh, the ribbons. You know what? We'll look at the ribbons here. This is just ridiculous. Look, this is on the daily, and they're all the way down here. So I'm thinking we need a pullback at some point to start catching up with these ribbons, or at least trade sideways. Let's look at the weekly. Now, if this, and I told you, I've been talking about this for days, guys. Last couple days, this 21, if we can close by Sunday above 39,500 area, next week I look for more continuation for sure. On Sunday, 8 o'clock U.S. Eastern Time, we close above that area. I would look for more continuation to the upside for sure. That'll be very bullish. Now, if we close underneath it, then that can act as resistance, and we can see some downfall. So we gotta pay attention to the ribbons as well. And if you guys don't know how to do that, how to get there, you go to templates, and you go to MAEXP ribbon. Okay. So real quick, let's look at the volume. Let's see where the volume's coming in here. This is the daily. So we'll go to our little, what did I do? Did I not go to the right indicator there? Hold on, excuse me. What happened? What is this? Come on, fixed range profile. Did I not do that? All right, so let's go from one end to the other. Oh, there we go. Now it's working. I must have double clicked it by accident. All right, and you can see where the point of control is. Right around this 2313 area. Okay, so that's where the most volume's coming in. So I mean, we break this. There's not much here, guys, because we came down so fast that especially right here, I could see us maybe even stopping a little bit higher at 3264 area. But this here, I mean, we could have some trouble getting through this 29. 3,000 mark. This would be the last line. But once you get into this area, it's like we're going to cruise through here. Okay, so let's just keep that in mind as well. So those are the point of controls. You can see we're going to battle in here. There's still a lot of volume in this area, so let's keep that in mind. All right, that's it, guys. Much love. I'll get this video out to you. Sorry about the late night video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. I need some subs here to keep this thing going. Much love to you guys, and peace out.